couple of years ago. She was Player of the Year in, there are just a few opportunities. See what's going on in Southern California and then head to Grand Rapids for their match against Omaha on Sunday. Good touch by Venegas. That ball set a little tight. Shampoo, left side to Schwan. Boy, does she love that roll shot. Good read by Venegas. Deep into area 5. Schwan again getting her exercise. So's Venegas. Quality point by both teams. San Diego really needs it. Good save by Dayon Lee. Smart shot. Look at that pass by Murphy. Oh, Shampoo.
Love the defensive effort, both sides of the net, but Shampoo with a good choice to end that long rally right in the middle.
That was a very gutsy read by the outstanding setter from Thailand. Look at that. The key was the pass from Murphy.
Agreed.
That was really tough.
Georgia Murphy from the back line pushes it all the way up to her setter, so she can do that.
2 points away. Good swing by Dalkey. Murphy on the over dig. Anai right there again. Murphy there with the cover. Boy, it is hard to put the ball away right now against either team. Dalkey, lots of work on the left side. Anai with a perfect read. As Brown, saved by Tabron. Late set run, opening set 9-3 run, Orlando wins. Second set 8-3 run, Orlando wins. They're 1 point away and they're on a 7-4 run. That ball off of Dalkey and out of bounds. Behind only Atlanta, featuring Leah Edmond, the first ever Player of the Year in the PBF. Stone, no. Oh, beautiful swing by Tabron. Orlando. Oh, the crowd is filled in nicely. As Brown over the top, Venegas got it. Free ball coming. Schwan, no. Brown. What a good block deflection by Tabron. Murphy again. Excellent setting. Schwan, Venegas with the dig. And looking for hands. Ball is out of bounds, and Orlando wins it in a